Hello everyone, this is a SMC Laguna 52-inch from about the early 80s. I got this in June from Atchison. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. These type of SMC Lagunas are not possible to find around here. This is the kind that has this American feature, the variable speed knob, like directly on the switch housing. I have never seen that anywhere in Canada or anywhere around here. We do have some of those made in Hong Kong SMC Lagunas, but they're very uncommon around here. And of course they don't have the little knob thing, they don't have like a little variable speed. It's in very good condition, like you can see. That's all the original paint on it, except for the canopy. This is a plastic canopy, not a metal canopy. It was yellowed, so I only repainted, but other than that, it's the original paint you see. It used to have a light kit, but I just received today the switch cap that Atchison sent me. Thanks a lot for the cap. It's beautiful. I always wanted one of those. So yes, like I said, those are not made in China. Those are a lot older, so I'm guessing really early 80s would be the date for those. But it's not dated, unlike the newer SMCs. So yes, this is made in Hong Kong. It's got the really thick motor, and it's extremely heavy, especially for a spinner. This switch housing there, it looks plastic, but it's actually it's all metal. All of that is metal. The badges here are plastic. I was a little disappointed when I found this. I didn't know. I always thought those were metal, but they're beautiful. They're gorgeous. They're like they remind me a little bit like a cross between a shell and a fleur de lis. Here would be like the shell design, and here would be the fleur de lis. What else to say about it? Oh yeah, of course. Here is the little special feature about it. You see that little knob there? Never seen that around here on any fans. And that pull chain there is just an on and off pull chain. Well, basically forward, reverse, off pull chain. The blades are extremely wide. Very thick wood. Check out the wideness of these. And they're very thick too. Yeah, I'm not a really big fan of fans with like so much plastic, plastic there and plastic there, but still I don't care. I mean, I love those. The ones some of the rare made in Hong Kong Lagunas that we have around here, they have metal canopies. I believe they have just like a 3-speed pull chain, but I'm not sure about it because they're so rare. That's one of my Westinghouse tassel that I got from Budget Lightning, so this is what they look like. And that's a J-hook mount. The integrated variable speed feature is really cool, but of course it's really buzzy. It buzzes a lot, which can be really annoying. It can go from extremely slow to very, very fast. It's very powerful. I believe it goes around possibly 220 RPMs on high on full speed, or something like 200 for sure. And it can go like without stalling out at something like 15 RPMs or so. So it's a really wide range of speeds. And here it is on that very slow setting. has pretty much reached its speed now. I could even make it go even slower than that, but that would be kind of pointless. You know, when it's like too slow, it's just... But this fan is like really good at keeping extremely slow speeds without stalling out. And at that pace, the buzzes is very tolerable. It's still not too loud. Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh, and the knob, the variable speed knob, is extremely sensible. Just turn it a little bit and it already changes the speed on the fan. So you don't need to turn it a lot to change the speed. It's extremely sensible. So I'm just gonna increase it a little bit, not much. Okay, now I barely increased it. I don't know if you're gonna see the difference on the camera. On camera it always seems a little slower. So that's like something like, I don't know, 35 RPMs maybe. And before it was maybe 30. And I'm going to increase it again a little bit more. To something that would be like your regular Casablanca low speed. The kind that has on the 3-speed Casablancas, which is about 45, 50 RPMs. A bit like the Zephyr. And that's pretty much like a Casablanca low. Okay, I'm going to increase it a lot more now. Something that would be more like a low medium. The buzz increases a lot. Can you hear it? I'm sure you can. Even though the buzzes, I had to have one of those variable speed fans. It's really cool still. Okay, now from pretty much this pace, you're gonna notice it wobbles. Don't worry about that, it's on a J-hook, you know. Most of J-hook mounted fans that wobble should not be worried about, but the wobble, it's not because the blades are actually perfect on this fan. It's just because it's extremely close to the wall. You know, it's a 52-inch fan. It's really big for the place where it's installed currently, so it's that's why it wobbles. Okay, so that must be something like pretty much like already 80 RPM, I'll say. But don't worry for the wobbles, just because the blade tip is like really close to the wall and makes a lot of air bouncing between it. Okay, more. That would be more like a regular medium, I think. much faster medium, almost like a medium high. And then full blast. Wow. I can feel like a lot of air already from here. Wow. This is really good air movement. Wow. I feel like all the air bouncing across the room. Thank you for watching.